Today is a very exciting day. This is our second annual Printers Fair. We began this last year with the idea of putting together an event that would bring together this exciting community of book artists, letterpress printers, designers, enthusiasts, industry people from the printing industry to the vendors, everything else happening, and bring them in under our tent, in a sense, to bring this community together. The book arts world, which is what this community is all about, says we can use traditional techniques and processes and machines and handmade paper and interesting design and make something unique and original out of it that attracts the attention of the general public. There's a lot of interest in the printed word, in paper, and in communications and the design. It's an exciting thing.